Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. My name is Leslie. If you haven't been here before, you wandered through my little corner of the internet. I apologize now. I have an extremely bad cold, so my voice is awful. I cough. I'm full of cough medicine, but it doesn't really seem to be helping. And I will be pausing to take sips of my drink. But, as you can tell by the description, I had a disaster on my Bamboo 3D printer. Let's go down here and we'll discuss what happened and the steps that I've had to take and what I've learned. So what happened is I decided I would make a beautiful Christmas ornament. And I picked this filament that I bought when I first bought my machine. It came in a sample package. It looked beautiful. It's a silk gold, red, orange. Uh, it says to print between 190 and 230, so I chose to print at 230. It laid down the first layer, the second layer, and the third layer just fine. And then it totally derailed. It was leaving almost like little pieces of wispy spaghetti. Sorry, I don't have the piece to show you. The cat stole it and was using it as a toy. I have yet to find it. But this is what it did to my machine. See all that there? The actual piece in the machine itself that holds this heat head extruder where the filament comes out is also that same dark color. And it smelled like burning. I will show you just one sec. Yeah, okay, this is cooled off. This is what it should have looked like. So after using this filament here, this was the result. This is what it should have looked like. So what happened was this filament clogged the print head. I'm going to call it a print head just for our sake. It's the heated extruder, okay? I cannot get anywhere close to even getting this little tool that comes with your machine through the nozzle. It should go all the way down. Can't get even close. So I took the chance. I followed the steps by preheating this nozzle up to, what was the degrees? Oh, guys, I cannot remember, but I will get it for you. Just one second, I will look it up so that I give you all the right information. Okay, guys, I decided I'd show you exactly what I did. So I have heated this up to 100 degrees. It is hot, okay? 100 Celsius. Now, I take my little pokey and I stick it down in there and nothing has loosened up. No, ooh, that's hot. So then I tried this. You stick another piece in and you kind of shove it in there. Well, that's still hot. And you turn. And you can kind of feel it getting in there. So now I just wait a moment, kind of let it cool together, and I pull it out. And usually what will happen is it will have stuck to the piece of the white. But it didn't. It is just in there and it is not being gracious, even preheated the way that it is. I even tried following another suggestion where I could take and preheat this piece so they were both hot when they touched. Guess what? No luck. So I surrendered that one. For now, I will keep trying to unclog it, and I went online and I ordered a new one. So, what have I learned from this? Well, number one, I'm not sure that I will try this filament again. I don't want the same results. I set it to the highest point, which was 230, as recommended on its label, 230, and it just would not work. Could it have been just a one-off in that moment? Sure. But, what if it wasn't? Do I keep trying it and ruining hotheads? Like, what do I do, right? So I ordered a package that actually came with a 4mm, which is what came with the machine, and a 2mm nozzle. Finer detail with this one. And I also at the same time ordered some new scrubby pads, because what happens is between colors, or when it's all done, the machine allows it to clean itself. It goes back and forth over that, getting off any little bits and pieces left behind. Was this an expensive fix? It was $30 for the two. The only reason that I didn't go with the exact same brand is that they were sold out. Bamboo was sold out of out of this. So I ordered an off-market one that a friend has been using and I know is safe. From now on, I think the lesson that I've learned is that I will be, oh, by the way, it did come with the heat covers. I will be keeping nozzles on hand for moments like that. And I think what I will end up doing is ordering, okay, this is cool enough to touch, is ordering some bamboo nozzles when they come back in stock, and then keep using them, but keeping these aside for, I've run out of, or for, I'm going to try this again, and if I ruin one, So my solutions, well, I can try it again in the same machine at a higher temperature than what is recommended. I could maybe go to 240. I could try it in the Anycubic Max, which seems to handle, it's a Cobra 3 Max, and it seems to handle these difficult filaments very well. So I could do that. One moment, please. Or I could just not use this one, but it's so pretty. I am going to do some further research, see what some of the other suggestions are, but right now, in order to use my machine, I will be using the off-market brand. Keep in mind, this is not something I recommend you do, number one. Number two, could it have been caused because I used cardboard on my AMS? Possibly, that is a possibility. So what I will probably end up doing is trying this in the Cobra Max. The spool holder there does not seem to mind cardboard. I don't know what to tell you. So that was it, guys. Lesson learned. Keep a spare nozzle on hand or two. Don't get frustrated. Don't get rid of it. Clean it up and keep trying to get it unclogged. Heat will eventually allow you to force it through. Okay, just be patient and keep it on. It is, you're going to run into many issues, and you're going to be doing a lot of YouTubing, and you are going to find the steps that work for you. What I have is a little logbook. Unfortunately, I forgot it upstairs. Um, and I write down the steps that I've tried that bring me success so that I have a reference for myself. Because, every machine is a little bit different, despite the fact that they're the same maker and the same style of machine. They're all a little bit different and have their own little quirks. I hope this in some way gives you confidence if your machine goes down to try fixing it yourself. Don't panic. Just get in there and get the job done. I will get this unclogged one day and I will tell you about it. But right now, I'm going to take some more cough medicine and I am going to go lay down. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the day. I hope that if, like us here, you are getting your first snow of the season, you can go out for a walk and enjoy the beauty of it. And I will see you in whatever comes next. Bye.